So there it is. Gave it a quick little rinse. It's been sitting in the shop for so long. It was quite dusty, a little grime on it. But rinse it off, gave it a nice little wipe down. I did polish these two wheels just because I couldn't help myself. I pulled them off, polished them, and then even polished each individual lug nut. But got it rinsed off. We're going to deliver it today to its owner. It's going back to Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Hopefully the guy likes it. He's going to have to do something different with the hood or air cleaner. But he's a smart young man, and he's chosen to resolve that on his own, which is great because we like the space. So this will go home. Hopefully the duster will go home soon. And we can keep chipping away at all the other projects in the shop. Snowing. It's a winter wonderland out here, but she's ready to go to her forever home, I hope.
What are we doing, Ray?
We are delivering a Corvette.
To who?
To Tyler Morgan.
Woo! What do we do to this fast machine?
Oh, I can put a new engine in, bro.
Yeah, we built the 383 for this good buddy of ours. Now we are dropping it off at his homestead. This is the equipment we're working with here on this nice wintry cold Wisconsin day. That nice swag he's wearing. See how she starts with the cold? She's been in a warm shop, so go see. Started right up. Started right up. No problem. Go straight back. Perfect. The spicy meatball. Ryan said, fuck you, stay in the truck. I don't know where we're gonna put it.
It's a sweet running ride, dude.
It sounds nice.